What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody out there watching is having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Make sure you smash the like button if you do enjoy the content you see here. We are growing strong. Shout out to everybody watching on the foxhole.com. That website is lit. Thank you guys for whoever's watching me there as well. It's your boy Bossco, like I said, Bossco Mitchell. I do sneaker reviews, reactions, pranks, vlogs, things of that nature on the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Hit the notification bell. We are going to get into these Jordan 1 shadows. Highly anticipated, highly coveted. Did you pick yourself up a pair? I want to take the second to have you guys forgive me if I do look a little funny or sound funny. I am a little under the weather. I don't know if I want to say sick. I think just the weather changing back and forth is getting my allergies going. So if I look a little red in the face, it's all good, man. Just getting over a little bit of a cold. But forget all that. We talking about these bad boys right here. About these Jordan 1 Shadow Highs, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys picked these up or passed on them. I mean, everybody's seen what they look like, but I mean, every time you take them out the box, they just look so fire. Don't you agree? Don't you agree? I mean, this is a very dope shoe, highly coveted, like I said before, and everybody was trying to get them. It was supposed to be some type of reserve app thing. Usually when they raffle off shoes, it's for something very limited. And these were supposed to be limited, but I mean, a lot of people were able to get them still. Like I said, the cutoff times were like 12 o'clock some places or 3 o'clock other places. And then you go wait in line for them, but there were lines all the time. I mean, the leather on these are pretty dope. It's really nice. I like the way the shoe is put together. Of course, you guys know the colorway pattern. The black with the grays is dope with the white midsole. You guys know about these shoes. I'm not gonna tell you guys nothing you guys do not know about these Shadow 1. The 2018 release. These are fire, bro. Come with the extra pair of gray laces in case you know what I'm saying, you want to go ahead and switch it up. I'm not too sure. Maybe putting some gray laces might be pretty dope. Do you guys rock these with gray laces or do you guys rock these with black laces that it comes with? Dope shoe, white midsole, black and white upper. The leather quality on here is pretty nice. I've been hearing a lot about these shoes, man. A lot about these shoes. A lot of negatives about these shoes. Some people have been getting mixed match shoes. Defects on one, no defects on the other. You guys know me, I pinpoint these shoes out. Your boy Bossco will give you the up close and personal look so you guys know what these Shadow 1s that I got look like. No flaws on these ones, these are epic. Unfortunately, like I told you guys before, if you guys watched my vlogs, the mall vlog when I went to pick these up, this is actually a size 14. I am a size 13, so these will go up on my eBay if you guys can fit a size 13. A link to the eBay page will be in the link. Will be in the description box below. I'm not hitting over the head. I just want to get these back, get these off. I got some other shoes I'm trying to pick up. So if you want some Shadow 1s, you wear a 13 or a 14. You can fit a 14 if you wear a 13. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section or just go ahead and check out the eBay. Without further ado, man, like I said, it's not too much to reveal here. The upper is very nice, plus it's some good leather, man. The leather quality on here is not bad around the ankles. It's just really nice shoe. I don't have any creases coming in them. I've seen people have creases in the toe box, creases in the leather. As you guys will see, because I'm gonna give you that close-up view once again, you will see that this is a flawless pair of Shadow 1s. I can't complain about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What's good? I have to make sure I remind you guys, go ahead and check out the Patreon page, link in the description below. Exclusive content that you will not see on YouTube. Of course, if you can become a Patreon and support my page, that'd be great. Your boy's just trying to get it. Make sure you watch the video all the way through. Let the ads run. Let's go. Thank you for your support, man. I can't thank you guys enough. Just need the support to be continued and to grow. We're trying to grow, take it out of here, man. Let's get it.
But you get too high to me, and you don't even believe in Jesus. Why you wearing Jesus sneakers? She ain't never swallowed semen. I don't even believe us bitches. You can't even keep it secret. Why you have Victoria's Secret? You don't even believe in peace. I'm fucking you with both my fingers. Baby, I'm at your league.
What's good, YouTube, and those of you watching on the foxhole.com, it's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker comparison video. As you guys see by the title, as you see by what's behind me in the back, we got Fire Kyries and Fire Jordan 1s, the Shadows. They both released Mamba Weekend. One released April 13th, the other one April 14th, 2018. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section. Do you guys have a favorite out of the two? What are some of the things that you like about the shoe, dislike about the shoe, either one of them? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the like button. Lets me know you guys like the content that I'm giving you guys and you guys want more of it. And of course, if you haven't, you gotta hit that subscribe button, man. I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a video. I'm very sporadic. I'm consistent, but sporadic. I do try to upload pretty much daily, but it'll be different times of the day. So if you got the notification on, you can be notified as soon as the video drops, you dig? Without further ado, let's go ahead and get to these shoes, you dig?